Welcome to the last week of Vlogmas in July. Welcome to another installment of In the Bathroom with Ingrid. Last week I showed you some of the products that I've been using in the bathroom, but I didn't show you the shower. So let's see what's in the shower right now. It's a combination of products that both Erica and I are using. We have an Oribe shampoo and conditioner. This is Erica's, but I use her conditioner. Shh. This is the Living Proof shampoo that I'm almost out of. That's why it's upside down. And then this is a Frank Body scrub. I really love their body scrubs. Briogeo, oh my gosh, I am missing my Briogeo shampoo and conditioners because I use them up and then my extras are packed with my stuff. But these are for Erica, they're for colored hair, so they have kind of like a purpley tint. I have a Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse, which is almost gone. And then there's probably one more use of the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I have used this for years and it just continues to be one of my all-time favorite face cleansers. And right now I'm just really into cucumber. I think it's because it's hot outside and cucumber is like cool and refreshing, so this is perfect. For body wash, I've been using the Necessaire body wash. I really love the packaging for this. It's like a squeezy bottle, and then the cap is a twist cap. This one has a sandalwood scent, which is also really lovely for the summer. Then there's a Drunk Elephant Juju bar. And then right here is a fresh soap. And then I have a couple other hair products right here. These are from Bondi Boost, and these are, whoops, real smooth, Ingrid. I have the HG shampoo and conditioner. I really like how they make my hair feel clean but not stripped. I have some stuff on the window that I'm finishing up. This is the Fresh Sugar Lemon Body Lotion, another one of my all-time favorites that I've been using forever. This is almost gone, and then I just finished this last night. It's the Fresh Black Tea Body Cream. I just finished making a smoothie and I gotta say, I think it tastes pretty good. I threw some applesauce in here, which is a new development for me. I'm ending my day with some cheese balls. Actually, Erica got these and they are like the classic old school packaging. I totally remember this from my childhood. When she brought them back, I was like, oh my God, I remember these. Also, it's back?
They must have just brought them back.
Where did they go? They should have never gone anywhere. We need cheese balls. They're so good. They have a good amount of air in them, like air pockets.
Thanks, planters.
It has been in the high 90s this weekend. Can you tell? I cannot believe how hot it has been here in New York City. It has been in the high 90s, but the feels like temperature has been in the 100s, like 107, and the humidity is just so intense. Like, I've just been dripping in sweat when I'm outside. So Erica left for San Francisco this morning and she's gonna be gone for a couple of days, so it's just me and Tato again. And then after she left, I took myself out on a solo date, and I didn't bring my camera with me because I just felt like I wanted to go out and have the solo date experience on my own and just like be in the moment. So I went to Westbourne and I had that breakfast sandwich again. It was so good. I also brought some of the Sunday paper with me, so I read that while I ate breakfast. And then I went uptown to the Natural History Museum because I have just been wanting to go there for no particular reason other than I have just felt on the inside this like pull to go to the Natural History Museum. There's a really cool T-Rex exhibit going on right now, which I loved. You know, I just can't go uptown and not get one of these cookies. And it was only several blocks down from the museum, so I was like, yep, I'm going. And there was no line. Now I'm gonna go outside and check on the little garden that Erica has been taking care of because it is so hot outside. I just wanna make sure everything is okay. Here's some basil. I'm very excited about this because I use basil all the time. It's good to cut these off so then the basil can keep growing. Just a couple weeks ago, this plant was like half the size, so that's thriving. There's some mint right here. Have a little bit of thyme. So the rosemary survived the winter and is just like a bush now. Erica actually pruned this because it was so much bigger and taking over this planter. Some tomatoes here. You can see some of the tomatoes coming in. I slept in kind of late today for a weekday because it is about to rain outside, and what I'm coming to realize is that I think barometric pressure affects me, because every time it is about to rain, I will typically get like a really bad headache, maybe like a half day before or even a full day before. If anyone else out there experiences this too, please let me know, because I am just experiencing this pattern and I'm like, there has to be something here. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. I made some toast with honey almond butter and then banana and cinnamon over the top. And then in the morning, part of my routine is writing. I try to write something in this notebook every day, but I don't beat myself up if it doesn't happen every day. This is a place where I can put whatever is on my mind down on paper and get it outside of my head, which I find to definitely be helpful. So it was pouring earlier and I didn't even dare to bring out my camera as I was coming back from yoga. Literal thunderstorms. Thank God I was wearing workout clothes because it didn't really matter that I got so soaked, but I actually checked on Lyft to see what it would cost if I got a Lyft back, and a shared Lyft was $43 and a regular Lyft was over $100. That's how in demand they were, because everyone was calling a Lyft. Potatoes here, just relaxing as usual. And I just made myself some dinner. So this is basically the same thing that I made last week. Chicken, some kimchi, salad with the roasted sesame dressing, and then I have seaweed, and then I have rice at the bottom. This has been my go-to dinner recently just because it's so easy to put together, especially if I already have the chicken made, but I had to cook the chicken tonight. And now I'm just gonna eat my dinner on the couch while I watch Sex and the City. I watch Sex and the City at least once a year all the way through from beginning to end, and I'm currently in 6B episode 3. So Christina and I spent the day at the wing working, and then I went to a Pilates workout afterwards. It was really hard. I am usually in a really good mood or mindset, or at least neutral during a workout, but this was just so hard for me mentally. I think just the last several days have been tough for me mentally. So I got a salad, there's some barista oat milk underneath, and now I'm heading back with a very heavy bag with an umbrella, full water bottle, laptop, spare change of clothing. You literally have to pack your life in a bag in New York City. I'm looking forward to getting back, showering. Erica gets back at like midnight tonight, so it'll be good to see her, even though TBH I'm gonna be asleep. But it'll be good when she wakes me up. And that's what's happening right now. I'll give you an update on all the stuff in my brain when I get home and I have arms to spare, because right now my arms are so tired from Pilates and all of this. I'm back home now, and I guess now I'll share with you about the little creepy crawlies happening in my head. I really feel like the creepy crawlies have been crawling in my brain since last week, and I think partially it is because my period is coming, and as I have hit 30, my periods have become increasingly more difficult. And last month was actually the first month where I didn't have a period that was super painful, that sent me into a really intense, emotional, dark spiral. But I feel like the darkness is back this month. But I think that isn't the full picture. I think there's also an element of doing a lot of shooting last week. So I noticed a pattern after shooting the 5 videos in 2 days. Whenever I've had high intensity periods in my life, not menstrual periods, but like high intensity emotions or high intensity of work, I find that after, when my life returns to a more normal pace, I just go into this huge dip and I start feeling like I'm not doing enough. I feel really down. That is interesting to me, that as I've reflected on different moments in my life, whether they were like really exciting moments or, you know, just moments of a lot of work, I have always felt that intense down period afterwards. And so I'm really trying to take it day by day. Literally every day since last Wednesday has been so different. Saturday being the best day and all of the other days just kind of being a mixture of a lot of emotions. Yeah, I've just been in a funky place today. You know, I've been doing all the things that I know help me to feel better. I've been journaling, I've been walking, I've been exercising, and you know, today just in Pilates having a really hard time. And I love Pilates. Today was the first time in a long time where my mind was wandering. I couldn't focus. I was beating myself up. And I was really hard on myself for not being able to do things today that I know I have done in the past. And usually, you know, in workouts, I am pretty gentle with myself and I'm like, it's okay. You're not gonna be in the same place every single day for every single workout. My body feels different every day. But gosh, today was just one of those days. So I think moving forward, this is what I'm going to do. I had originally planned for my last day of vlogging to be July 25th, but I think tomorrow will actually be my last day of vlogging. I just feel like I need time to just be with myself, really reconnect with myself, be easy on myself. But I already talked to Erica about this. I may be ending the vlog a day earlier than planned, but we're gonna end it strong. There were a lot of requests for Erica to do an unboxing ever since she revealed that she loves going through the packages that I received. So you guys will see Erica opening up my PR packages. The moment has come. The much anticipated Erica America unboxing. She's prepping for all of you right now. She'll be with you soon. What's happening, Erica?
I'm unboxing all of Ingrid's packages, which I've always thought was fun, but now that it's in front of me and it's a task, I don't know if it's gonna be fun.
I'm very excited about this because this means I don't have to go through the boxes.
That's what I'm realizing. There's like a lot here, so.
And you know who gets to take them down to recycling?
You? Super Goop.
Ooh.
Don't you like that? Yeah, I'm using their moisturizer, sunscreen right now.
Ooh, what is this? Zinc screen.
Well, I might test it
Oh,
first.
okay. See, it has begun. She's taken everything.
Yep.
There is no pile for Erica.
That's benefit. I think you like that brand. We'll put it over here.
Yeah, I love Dandelion Blush, and I'm using the Benefit Brow Gel right now. Wow, oh wow,
There's a lot
more.
Hey.
Oh, okay, we gotta focus on the star.
I'm a real diva. This is from Glossier. Lip gloss, lip gloss, lip gloss.
Actually, recycling, although some of it does unfortunately have to be trash.
Yeah. Most of it's recycling. Okay.
I will say that PR packages have become way less frequent and also much smaller. So I feel like brands are getting the hint.
What's Bagoo?
I was saying in my head, not out loud, that I wanted a Bagoo tote bag because I use tote bags so much here in New York, and one came.
They also sent you one of these plastic straws. And it says, don't mind my glow.
Maybe I can drink my matcha from there.
Oh yeah, that's a good matcha.
Okay, plot twist.
What is this?
I honestly have no idea. It's a refrigerator with makeup in it.
Weird.
TBH. I agree. So, I mean, I am a fan of storing my makeup and beauty products in the refrigerator, but I don't think I need a separate refrigerator for that.
I don't think I do either.
Oh, is this a no pile for Erica?
Yeah.
It's the mini
Sorry,
fridge.
Alf. I appreciate what you were doing with this.
This is from Lush.
Look at that.
Ooh, this smells good. Okay, we have a little beach ball. Ooh, that smells good too.
What's this?
A mummy or a brain. What is that?
I don't know.
Is it a mummy or is it a brain?
Or a volleyball? I think it's a volleyball.
Tell us in the comments below.
Because it's summer.
Is it a mummy or is it a volleyball or is it something totally different? Is it a brain? Who knows? That is my favorite so far.
Okay, and then this smells amazing. I don't know what it is.
Ooh,
though.
it's their solid shampoo. I love their solid shampoos.
Interesting. It smells really good.
Oh my God, I just looked down and look at my fingers.
Shoot!
That came from the little volleyball brain mummy. That is going to be it for Vlogmas in July. Hope you guys enjoyed spending most of the month with us and Tato. Also, I am thinking about potentially vlogging once a month, like for a week during the month. So let me know what you think about that in the comments below. I will actually see you very soon, as in next week, with a new video. Bye.